Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. Simply at first open your Spotify. Click on to your library. Press on to plus option. As you can see, showing you to playlist. Create a playlist with song or episode. Just open this. Write a playlist name. Press on to create. Okay, alright, now successfully create a playlist. If you want to customize, add photo from your gallery. Like select, press on to choose. Add music, name and details. Edit. If you want to remove, press on to remove, save, and 3 dot showing you to more option. Okay, and easily customize from here. And now successfully create this. Just go back your library and showing it to my playlist. Press on to playlist and recently create this. That's it.